challenge and been him to me now. It is Welsford on the line, and what a late finish and run by Gramai as well.
Karia barimo musore kipe ni Mugisha Moise ni harimo muri kono groupe kandi twabonye mirimo manza Eric agiye kuba ataka hano kuko n'umwanya wo gushaka Kasoma Dawite man acceleration ndabona ari Aurora break nawe yataka Mugisha Moise ashyiramo politiko metera kurikira Mugisha Moise kuramba ku kagapu gatoya umucomeke ubundi agutware mutambika ngo mundi byose muze kubikemura hano mumaze kuzenguruka kuri hano mumaze kuzenguruka ku kabindi harimo umusore Datsev umwanya wa kabiri mu mazabira William Rosef ari inyuma William Rosef yamaze kwiyakira imbere mayo jaune irondre amakuru ya irondre nguko bayisame duha irondre amaze gucana amatara bamaze gushyira buri kintu cyose bamaze kwenga bamaze kwarura bamaze kwitegura byose kubera ko umwami Prince Blackmore akaba agiye kujyara ku kabindi amaye kujya ku kabindi
tayari amapafara soje yinjiye muri kaburimbo ajya kwitakata metero nke yatagera muri feruje zara ku kabindi Joseph Blackmore Joseph ikilometero cya nyuma
la flamme rouge
ikilometero cya nyuma Joseph Blackmore turabona ko arababwira ati jewe ndahageze ngiye gutangira ndirimba asabira ati jewe ndahageze nungire ikibazo we abasigaye nyuma babwira bagende batuza bakogenge kugera hano nabo Joseph Blackmore Peter Joseph Blackmore
yamaze gutanga amakuru irondere kandi n'amakuru ageze Tel Aviv ariko hari hano ataka ya Mugisha Moise ushaka kugira ngo nibura ariwe ko yabona umwanya wa kabiri Mugisha Moise atwaye etape ya Tour du Rwanda 2022 Mugisha Moise ataka Dawite man reaction ndabona ari inyuma ari umusore Torres wo muri Mugisha Moise yamaze kuminukana ku kabindi Dawite man yamaze gukata abasore ba politiko meto bahagaze reka turebe muka Peter Joseph Blackmore akaba agiye gutwara Tour du Rwanda agiye umunyabura wa kabiri gutwara Tour du Rwanda Demare attaqué à Datiev. Ndabona ari ba Fabien Dube ikipe politiko meta reaction Peter Blackmore amaze kujya muri metero za nyuma Prince Peter Joseph Blackmore agiye gutwara Tour du Rwanda 10 ya mbere akaba ari sigaro rya mbere kuri no musore w'umwongereza umuzukuru wa King Charles wa gatatu Peter Blackmore yereka abanyarwanda urukundo rw'igari cyaryo Peter Blackmore yaduhaye urukundo kuri mo Kigali Peter Blackmore yakoze atake nza cyane kuri muri do Kigali Peter Blackmore esazaga kwa mu Rwanda gukina Champions Peter Blackmore atwara Tour du Rwanda ya mbere Blackmore
gutereka amapine abiri ipine rimwe riterura avuga ati ngomba kubereka ko ngewe mugubu n'igihe ugiye kuba umwami w'igare mu Bwongereza bagomba kuririmba aterura ategeka imbere
Perato Datsev wa kabiri muri Tour du Rwanda 2024
Biatu na bakaba ari bakinnyi bageze ahanga umusore Peter Joseph Blackmore
umusore rero n'itsinda ry'abanyayise Premier Technique n'abaserera no mu Rwanda babwira ati twa tumaze imyaka dutegereje 2015 twatangiye kuza mu Rwanda muri CR Cycling Academy igikomeye cyakoze ne etape kibuye twaye Karongi atwawe na Edwin
The two of Rwanda, ladies and gentlemen, presented by Inyange Industries as they take the center stage. And of course, a lot of respect to that beautiful colors of the national team of Eritrea. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the incredible riders of Eritrea national team. As we call upon the Managing Director of Inyange Industries, James Biseruka, as well as Bigango Valente, the first Vice President in Ferrasi, to help us award the best team of the day, Eritrea national team from the Horn of Africa. Today, they confirm their presence in the last stage of the Tour du Rwanda. Congratulations, Eritrea national team.
Ladies and gentlemen, Eritrea national team number 165, Yafieta Mulgeta. Number 164, Zelai Nahom Araya. Number 163, Aklilu Arafan. Number 162, Metkel Eyob. And number 161, Merhawi Kudus.
Congratulations from the team of Eritrea, from the Horn of Africa. And of course, if you talk about the best cyclists, you're talking about Eritrea. You talk about the young generation, you're talking about Eritrea. And of course, they're going to adorn the beautiful Nyanje jersey as the winners. And of course, as the best team of the day. Stage number 8, 73 kilometers.
Kuva 2010 Tour du Rwanda imaze umwaka umwe itangiye nta munsi numwe ikipe y'Igihugu ya Eritrea cyangwa abanya Eritrea batarazamuka kuri iyi podium ya Tour du Rwanda. Ibihembo bitandukanye guhera kuri mayo jaune izabazamutsi n'izindi nyinshi. Uyu munsi bagiye gutahana umwenda w'ikipe nziza.
Bambaye rero umwambaro mwiza cyane kuva muri Inyange Industries. Inyange Industries ku mazi meza, amata meza, ji nziza zitandukanye ikubwira ko yaje
ni ibihembo rero.
Who is the best after stage number 8 today? Ladies and gentlemen, who is the best African rider? All the way from German in bike 8 cycling. He is a Eritrean, number 52, Dawit Yeman. Congratulations, Dawit Yeman, as we call upon the CEO of Rwanda, Yvonne Manzi Makolo, as well as Katabarwa Daniel Ferrasi treasurer, to help us award this gentleman from Eritrea plying his trade in German bike aid cycling.
Nguyu rero umukinnyi w'imyaka 26 gusa akaba yitwa Dawit Yeman, akaba akina mu gihugu cy'Ubudage. Umwaka ushize muri Tour du Rwanda yarangije ku mwanya wa 7 ku rutonde rusange. Uyu munsi rero akaba hembwe nk'umunyafurika witwaye neza kuko ari mu bakinnyi ba mbere 15 ku rutonde rusange.
Congratulations, Dawit. You put on this jersey yesterday. You had to put it on today. And today you've done it in front of Rwanda CEO as well. Today, as she congratulates you, we also congratulate you. Congratulations, Dawit Yeman of Bike Aid.
Yambaye rero umwambaro wa Rwanda rero ikubwira ko niba wifuza guhinduza tike yawe ndege hamagara umurongo ari wo 0788177000. Ikindi kandi muri Tour du Rwanda tuzaniye promotion yo kujya ndetse no kuva mu karere ka Rusizi ku $99 tugufitiye kandi programme yitwa Frequent Flyer aho ushobora kugenda ukabona amanota ashobora kukuviramo nitike y'ubuntu y'indege cyangwa se ikakwapuradinga muri business cyangwa muri excess packages hamwe na Rwanda flying the dream of Africa.
Saluto to Dawit Yeman holding the Eritrean flag. You are the best African rider after stage number 8. Next up is Mobile Money by MTN. They are going to help us award the best young African rider. The best young African rider. Ladies and gentlemen, I've not seen a stage he's missed today. Gracing stage after stage. The official name of the tour, number 165, Akil Alpine. As we call upon the CEO of Mobile Money Rwanda, Chantal Kagame, as well as Niyonkuru Zefani, the permanent secretary in the Ministry of Sports, as they step forward to help us award the 19-year-old Eritrean rider Akil Alpine.
Afite imyaka 19 gusa. Abajene baracyazamuka kuri podium nibwo agitangira gukina mu kiro w'amagare nk'wabigize umwuga. Umwaka ushize yari mu Tour du Rwanda, iyi ni inshuro ya kabiri akinye Tour du Rwanda, aracyari mutoya cyane. Akil Alpine akaba rero ikipe yitwa Wanti Intermarché yaramubonye akiri muto cyane ititangira kumukinisha. Ubu ngubu akaba akina muri ikipe yo mu Bubiligi, ariko yaje mu Rwanda hagarariye Eritrea National Team.
Akaba arimo kwambikwa umwambaro mwiza cyane rero na CEO wa MTN Madame Chantal Kagame, our MTN Momo Chantal Kagame. MTN Momo rero mobile money from MTN ikubwira yuko ubu ngubu ukanda akanyenyeri 182 akanyenyeri 16 ukajya muri promotion ya Biva Momotima. Ikindi kandi bisaba kugira ngo wishyure cyangwa se wishyurwe ukoresheje code hamwe rero na Momo from MTN Biva Momotima muzatsindira ibihembo birimo imodoka ebyiri za VWT Cross, harimo televiziyo, harimo moto, amafaranga kuva kuri miliyoni kuva ku 100 kugera kuri miliyoni, hamwe na MTN from Momo from MTN Mobile Money.
Nothing is sweeter than being the flag bearer of your nation. Congratulations to the young Eritrean Akil Alfain. Today, you are the best young African rider. And of course, we thank Chantal Kagame, the CEO Mobile Money Rwanda, as well as the PS in Mini Sports, Nyonguru Zefani, for awarding this young man from Eritrea. The best young rider, the best young rider, ladies and gentlemen, the best young rider. You might as well just know he deserves no introduction, but let me take this opportunity to mention his name one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, Akil Alfain. What a name, as we call upon retired Colonel Eugene Haguma, the CEO Prime Insurance, as well as the CEO Akajer Aviation, Nhorichi Infra Patrick, as they step forward to help us award the best young rider today, who is going to adorn the Prime Insurance jersey.
Nguyu rero wa musore w'umunya-Eritrea w'imyaka 19 gusa agarutse kuri podium kubera ko ari umukinnyi witwaye neza ukiri muto kurusha abandi, aza ku mwanya wa 12, akaba rero yasigwaga iminota 3 n'amasegonda 11. Niwe mukinnyi uri munsi y'imyaka 23 uzi imbere ku rutonde rusange.
I'm telling you, this gentleman deserves a lot. A young rider, 19 years of age. Smile and sparkle, young man. Because today, you are the best on stage 8. But for those of you who were not with us in the last 7 stages, he graced different stages. Congratulations. You're the future of Eritrean cycling. Akil Alfain.
Arimo kwambika umwambaro mwiza rero wa Prime Insurance, securing tomorrow. Today, tubibutsa ko ngana Prime Insurance, ubungubu nta kibazo. Wabona ubwishingizi utavuye ahuri, kuko ugukunda kuraga ibyiza. Kanda kanyenyeri 177 urwego, hamwe na Prime Insurance, you secure tomorrow. Today, tugufitiye money insurance, motor insurance, property insurance, travel insurance, ndetse na medical insurance. Hamwe na Prime Insurance, you secure tomorrow. Today, hamagara kandi umurongo utishyura ariwo 1320. Prime Insurance, kanda kanyenyeri 177 urwego.
Ni ishema ryinshi rero kwibendera ry'igihugu cya Eritrea. Akil Alfain ashimirwa nk'umukinnyi ukiri muto witwaye neza mu Tour du Rwanda.